Scholars and experts have said that China's high-quality development is an important driver for the country's economic recovery. A professor at BI Norwegian Business School said, as the Chinese government now switches to high-quality growth, the country has seen quite some improvement in its innovation capabilities. He said innovation has helped China to transform from the factory of the world to an innovative factory of the world.
I think China has been developing very well in terms of high technologies. I think this is primarily because now there's a focus on moving from being the factory of the world to the innovative factory of the world, and a focus on high quality development. China has also done a very good job of close collaborations between universities and industry. So I think given these policies and these organizations, I'm quite confident that China will continue to produce leading-edge technology.
CEO of Springer Nature Group, Frank Rankin-Peters, said that China is increasingly standing out in both the quantity and quality of its scientific research.
I think primarily as a result of the fact that China has invested more money in research and development. You can see that China, not only in terms of quantity, but actually also in terms of quality, has really stepped up its game. I think we've done extremely well in China, and I think we're, let's say, bullish about the future of China going forward.
China's gross domestic product grew 5.5% year-on-year in the first half of 2023 to reach 59.3 trillion yuan. In the second quarter, the country's GDP expanded 6.3% year-on-year.